Welcome, dear friends, to a delightful journey through the world of apples, a fruit that has captivated our taste buds for generations. But did you know that beyond its scrumptious flavor, apples are a powerhouse of health benefits, packed with essential vitamins and nutrients that do wonders for our bodies? Join us as we embark on a journey to discover the remarkable health benefits of apples and how they contribute to our overall well-being. Let's dive right in and explore the magic of apples. Apples are a rich source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. One medium-sized apple contains about 4 grams of fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. But that's just the beginning. Apples are loaded with essential vitamins, particularly vitamin C. A medium-sized apple provides approximately 14% of your daily vitamin C needs, which is crucial for a robust immune system. This powerhouse vitamin also contributes to healthy skin, aiding in collagen production and giving your skin a radiant glow. Apples are renowned for their antioxidant properties. They contain a variety of antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which help combat free radicals in your body. Regular consumption of apples may reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. Let's talk about heart health. Apples have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber in apples, known as pectin, helps lower cholesterol levels, while the antioxidants keep your heart and blood vessels healthy. An apple a day may indeed keep the cardiologist away. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, apples are a wise choice. The natural sugars in apples are balanced by their high fiber content, making them a great snack for regulating blood sugar. They provide a steady source of energy without the sugar spikes. Apples are a fantastic addition to any weight management plan. They're low in calories, but high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. Snacking on apples can prevent overeating and support your weight loss goals. As we conclude our journey through the world of apples, it's clear that these humble fruits are not just a treat for our taste buds, but also a boon for our bodies. With their rich nutritional profile, vitamins, antioxidants, and numerous health benefits, apples are a true gift from nature. Be sure to share this video and subscribe for more healthy content from G-Bound Republic. Be the best.